You're going to love this creamy cauliflower porridge with warm cinnamon apples. It's vegan, gluten-free, grain-free, and sugar-free, and you can't even tell that the main ingredient is cauliflower. I can't wait for you to try it. Add 4 cups of cauliflower to some boiling water and cook until soft, about 7 minutes. Add coconut oil to a hot pan and then add in 1 diced apple. You can keep the skin on. Add some cinnamon, and then add some maple syrup and let it bubble and cook until nice and soft over medium-low heat. Once the cauliflower is cooked, drain the water off, and the other ingredients you'll need are vanilla extract, full-fat coconut milk, some warm water, psyllium husk or powder. This is going to help thicken it, and it's a great source of fiber, and a good pinch of salt, which always brings out all the flavors. And that's it. Now add the ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth and creamy, just like this. But it's not done. We have to do one more important step. Add the mixture to a pot and bring it up to a boil. And this is what's going to help thicken it, just like porridge. So once you boil and then simmer it, it thickens right up. It looks exactly like porridge. Spoon it into a bowl and add the warm cinnamon apples on top. Be sure to get some of that maple cinnamon sauce. Add some chopped pecans on top, some extra cinnamon, and there you have it.
You guys, this is so fluffy. It's rich, it's creamy, it's delicious, and you can't even tell that the main ingredient is cauliflower. It's so good. I hope you give it a try. Let me know what you think, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.